I think we should be in for a monster move on the indices. So what's been happening, Nikunj, over the last few days is that the markets were consolidating, indices were consolidating, but the stock-specific front, you'd seen a lot of activity. Even on a day like yesterday, for example, the start, where the Nifty was down some 200 to 50 points, you look at the small cap and mid cap index. I think these indices were trading to a positive side, and then throughout the day when the market saw recovery, the indices saw recovery, you saw the mid caps and small caps gaining a lot of strength. And I think we've seen that texture of individual sector rallies, IT rallying, auto stocks rallying, individual pharma, financial services name, etc. These stocks had rallied pretty well for themselves. So we were into that texture where the markets were improving, at least in terms of market breadth, but it was just about time for the indices to break past about the consolidation. Today could be that move. And generally what happens is after this kind of a massive consolidation, whenever the index finds its direction, we look at the index not just looking at a very short term 200 to 50 point kind of a rally, but it generally extends into at least one third to half of the period where the markets have seen a consolidation. So we could be looking at least 1 to 2 weeks of the markets rallying from current levels of 25,200, and then on the higher side I would probably now look at 25,750 to 26,000 as a broader range for the Nifty.
Rudramurthy, good morning.
Very good morning, Nikunj.
Are you on the same page like Kunal, 2-3 weeks, and could be a nice little party for us?
Yes, Nikunj, definitely I may not buy this very huge gap up because we have expiry coming this Thursday for the month. And what I want to do is wait out, and then any dips which I might get before Thursday, I want to use that as a buying opportunity. Definitely no shorting whatsoever. Be sector specific, stock specific, and Nifty will confirm that move beyond 25,200, 250. Let us see a close above that. Wait for any dips either tomorrow, day after, or even today post the morning gap up. If you get any dips to levels closer to that 25,000 level, I will be a buyer. Be very sector specific and stock specific in this market. Use this opportunity to buy any dips whatsoever. No shorting at all in this market.
No shorting at all in this market. But Kunal, what's your take on